Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. So canvas is a 12-inch round. That colour is TLP Comet, which is a red gold interference colour. So at the moment it looks white, but you will see afterwards in the flash. This one I end up taking out with some tweezers because a big blob came out of it. I don't know if it was on the nozzle, because these nozzles you do have to pick out dried bits. That's the only trouble with these nozzles, and obviously I hadn't cleaned the nozzle properly, so I don't use this one because I wasn't sure if it was actually in the bottle or just the nozzle. So the next colour you see me use is quinacridone nickel azo gold, or QNAG as we call it, by Golden, and I mix that with Triart copper, just to darken it slightly and also give it a nice metallic finish. And you'll see that in a minute. There we go. And then it's Atelier Pale Gold. Because I'm using gold, so my rich gold cell activator, I needed contrast, so that's why I go for the pale gold. Even though I'm not so keen on pale golds, personally, my opinion is just what I like. I prefer the rich golds. And then we've got another Boom Gel stain. This one is Lily Pilly Pink. I love this colour, such a pretty colour. If you're only going to get a few Boom Gels, I would definitely recommend this one, and Pearlescent Teal, which is another of my favourites. And then this one is Triart Magenta. And then I just used a little bit more of Boom Gel stain in the white, which is called Sterling Wax White. And then my cell activator today is equal parts of Pebeo Precious Gold and Atelier Rich Gold, mixed as usual with Australian Floral, approximately 1.5 parts of Floral to the 1 part of paint. Now subtitles, let's talk subtitles. I had somebody complain about where they appear on the screen. Unfortunately, we don't have any say in where they appear. That's up to YouTube, so I can't alter that. What I do personally, I would watch it with the subtitles first, and then I would watch the video again and not put them on. That's all I can suggest. Sorry, as I say, we don't have any input in that. Now in a minute you'll see it change. So I've used my hairdryer, and then you'll see it looks slightly different. And that's because I had to lift my canvas up and put it in another area to mouth blow part of it. I can't do it where it is because I do it in a little paddling pool, and I can't lean over to reach to blow. So that little bit that suddenly appeared is just mouth blown. I also did some embellishing in this one, obviously once it was dry, and I thought I'd videoed it. I'm sure I did, but I cannot find the video anyway, so sorry, I haven't got that to show you. But I will put everything that I've used in the description box below. I did do a little bit with my gold acrylic pen, and also with some glue and the holographic film, the gold film that I use, and a little bit of pink holographic film. So I'll put all the details in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and everybody take care, stay safe, and if you're heading to Brisbane, see you the weekend. So excited. Bye.